This is the Kuta beach main gate, and this is the QR codes to scanning up to the entrance to the famous Kuta beach, as you see. Yo, what's up? I'm in Kuta today, just at the front of the main gate to the Kuta beach. And well, as you saw at the beginning, there is the scanning app, and you have to scan QR code, and you have to be fully vaccinated to officially and legally enter to the Kuta beach. So that's how it's look. Definitely much more busier because so many cars actually. This is something interesting, and also the Grand Ina here seems busy today. Many people, many cars inside the parking area. So there is the main entrance to the Kuta beach, and there are some small gates, and I got yesterday message about this wall over here. So basically yesterday somebody comment under my video said, yeah, a local Indonesian person has passed this road in Kuta as they built something like, he said, like Berlin Wall. I was laughing at the beginning, but now I understand what he's mean. So basically the small entrances to the beach, like this ones over here, they are normally concrete wall, which is crazy stuff. So this is something really strange happening. Seems like they really want everybody to enter the beach from the only one main gate and scan the tracking app. However, I'm not sure how it's gonna work in real life. However, this is something very new and very strange. Somebody asked me for Grand Ina and Mercure Hotel. Grand Ina was before. This is the Mercure in Kuta, and it's open, and seems like already the travel it's begun, because yeah, I can see the huge 2 buses with the stickers. I think they are domestic tourists and stuff. Looks like this. One gate here is still open, but seems like not all of them. Most of them, they are already concreted. Guys, this concrete wall is serious. It's not fake. I mean, it's a real thing. There was the entrance to the beach, so that's really strange. Strange things and strange times in Bali right now. Also, the rain season officially began. Today was all day was rainy, and I'm still waiting. It's now gonna be rain. Hopefully not. I don't wanna be wet, but the rain season already began. So that will be very interesting time in Bali. Here used to be a famous McDonald's what was closed. I make a special video, but now it's Alpha Express. This is some new mini market, a new franchise. I see already one here and one in Legion Street, so it's something interesting. Something is happening, and I think something here is bankruptcy. I don't remember what was here. I think McDonald's or something, I don't know. And heading into Beachwalk area right now. Here entrance to the Jalan Popis Lane 2. I see 40% of businesses are open, at least on this small strip, but doesn't look busy yet. Anyway, Sheraton, and that's the area of the beach walk. Today is bad weather, so it may be a little bit quieter. However, still some cars. Definitely more life than weeks ago. Anyway, that's for sure. Well, and here is some life today. Finally here. This is the main entrance to the famous Beachwalk Mall in Kuta. As you see, quite many people, even in Starbucks, even in the restaurants, many bikes, even local sellers. Definitely looks much more optimistic than weeks ago. That's for sure. As you can see, guys, you have to agree with me. Also nice as they are local warungs here, and that's something fresh, could say. Some business is going around, so that's really not so bad. Really not so bad. Definitely much more optimistic view. And anyway, main entrance to the Beachwalk Mall today. Definitely much more alive, guys. So happy to see that. Probably hard to park the bike. However, so happy to see that. And of course, you need to be fully vaccinated and scan the tracking app to enter to the mall. That's why I'm not gonna go there. However, I could. Even it's traffic here. Check this out. Many people wanna go to the mall and the this Wuling over there. Some of the local domestic tourists driving around quite busy. Also interesting fact, if you want to enter to the Kuta beach by the main gate, you have to scan the QR code and scan and blah blah blah. But if you want to get enter, small one next to the mall is totally open, and I mean nobody really cares. That's why probably they're making the Berlin Wall here. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, everybody are happy here as always. Okay, quick shot to the beach. At least here I don't need to be tracked by CIA. Oh my gosh, guys, warungs are open also on the beach nowadays. Again, as you see, really definitely much more optimistic vibes right now. Still international closed, but domestic bumping up, definitely. Quick shot to show you vibe on the Kuta beach. Somebody asked me also to show you Kuta beach. That's what it looks like. Definitely much more alive than weeks ago, months ago. Very happy to see that, and some businesses going back to business. I mean bintangs, cola and coconuts. Also somebody commented, that's true, confirmed information, as the international airport is gonna to be open at 14th of October, however only for Chinese, Japan, South Korea and New Zealand people. Still quarantine 8 days, still 3 PCR tests, and still you have to be fully vaccinated. So I'm not sure, I'm not that optimistic as airport gonna be like wow huge busy. However, definitely little help for the local economy, and some people for sure would come. The same like on the paid business visa, actually the same thing. You can only save like 3-5 million on the business visa. After that is the same, and you can quarantine in Bali obviously if you're coming from 4 of these countries. Also quite surprised thing as is open for Chinese. However, I'm not gonna discuss about that on my vlog because that's controversial topic. Anyway, the biggest reason why I think, and I'm pretty sure not many people will come to Bali International, the first of all is 8 days quarantines. Many people just cannot afford to take a quarantine. And the second thing, also for even more people, more important, the people don't want to wear mask outside. Like I'm working on the street right now, and the people simply, they don't want to wear mask. Even some people, I know personally some friends who could afford the quarantine and 8 days because money is no problem, time is no problem. But like I said already about my friend, he said, I don't want to walk on the beach wearing a mask. And that's actually true. I think most of people will agree with me, as walking with the mask inside the malls, inside the buildings, or in the public transport, or even in the car, or so, like a taxi driver or something, it's fine. But like this, and here we go, this is the entrance to the Jalan Popi Swan. Anyway, the life looks like this. And yeah, I'm gonna go quickly to the beach. Also, I'm gonna show you a quick shot from the Kuta Square. As you see, the big basa is coming, the May bus. Yo, what's up? Shino, as I recall. Some tourists, especially domestic, really coming back, because if the big basas like this are coming to Bali, that's already a positive sign. Also, the traffic probably very soon gonna be bigger. And also, yeah, that's how it looks, the McDonald's Matahari. I think I'm not gonna talk too much about this area. I was at least 20-30 times on my YouTube about that. However, quick shot, how does it look like? All right, I'm on the beach, Kuta beach. That's how it looks like. Here are no warungs, not so many people heading into Discovery Mall direction. Definitely more people are next to the mall. Last time we made a vlog in this area at morning, about 2 weeks ago, so you can watch this video. I'm not gonna show you that much from this side of the Kuta beach. I could say it's definitely much more quieter here to compare to the Beachwalk area. Anyway, the Grand Inn Hotel is just behind me. As you see, not much has changed, and I think that's it from me from today. I hope so you enjoyed. I have to go home because it seems like gonna be rainy very soon. I hope so you enjoyed, and as always, see you tomorrow. See you at record.